Welcome to Kwala, the workflow automation layer for Web3. To begin your journey with Kwala, simply go to kwala.network. This is your gateway to launching automated Web3 workflows in just a few minutes. Step 1. Getting started. Click the Start Building button to launch the Kwala console. You'll land on your workspace. This is where you'll write, view, and manage your Web3 backend workflows. Each workflow shows its status, last updated time, and available actions like save, deploy, and activate. Step 2. Wallet setup. Connect MetaMask. Before you can create or execute any workflows, you'll need to set up your wallet. Kwala currently integrates with MetaMask, one of the most trusted wallets in the ecosystem. On first-time use, Kwala will request permission to add a custom RPC network. Kwala runs on a credit-based execution model. Instead of paying gas fees for every workflow execution, users top up their account with Kwala credits. These credits are then automatically deducted only when a workflow is deployed, triggered, and executed, giving you full control over your costs. Step 3. Creating a new workflow. Click on New Workflow to get started. You'll be taken to the workflow editor, where a preloaded basic YAML structure is provided to help you build fast. The workflow builder is structured into 4 core sections. Name. Give your script an identifiable name. Trigger. Decide what event or condition should initiate the script. It could be an on-chain transaction, a webhook, a scheduled time, or even a user input. Actions. Define the steps the script should execute. This could be calling smart contracts, interacting with APIs, triggering events, and more. Execution. Choose how the script should run, sequentially or in parallel. Simply edit the YAML to fit your use case. Choose your blockchain, define what services to use, and add any required dynamic values. The editor is clean, efficient, and designed to remove the overhead of coding everything from scratch. Step 4. Saving your workflow. Once your script is configured, hit Save. This step stores the workflow structure logic on the Kwala backend. At this point, a MetaMask transaction will be triggered, not to charge you, but to register the script in the Kwala system. It ensures that the script is now recognized by the network, but no credits are deducted yet. Your script appears in the dashboard with a status badge, passed, or error. This built-in validation ensures that your workflows run exactly as expected, without silent failures. Step 5. Deploying the workflow. Next, click on Deploy. This action moves the workflow into standby mode, but not yet live. It is not actively monitoring any events just yet. That will only happen once you activate it. Another MetaMask transaction will pop up, recording the deployment. At this stage, your workflow's status updates to pending. As soon as a node in the Kwala network picks it up, the status changes to claimed. This means no other node can execute this workflow, ensuring reliable and conflict-free execution. Step 6. Activating the workflow. The final step is to click Activate. This enables the trigger mechanism defined in your script. When the conditions are met, your logic executes immediately. And now, your workflow is up and running. Advanced features. Importing YAML. For advanced users or teams working on complex scripts, Kwala offers the Import YAML option. Upload your custom-written script and jump straight to deploy and activate. This is especially helpful for collaborating teams, version control, and when copying workflows across projects. Templates. Build in minutes. Don't want to start from scratch? Kwala comes with a library of pre-built workflow templates. Whether you're setting up token transfer alert, NFT price tracker, DeFi yield optimizer, multi-chain bridge monitor, DAO proposal, notifier liquidation protection, you'll find ready-to-use workflows to customize and go live in minutes. And that's how you build and launch backend automation in Web3 without the backend. Explore more, test ideas freely, and start scaling your Web3 projects today with Kwala.